Hi everyone, hope you're having a great day. This video tutorial is all about Edpuzzle. Not sure what that is? That's okay. We'll be exploring it together. In this tutorial, you will learn what is Edpuzzle, how do I sign up and log into Edpuzzle, and how does Edpuzzle work. Check out additional tutorials for integrating Edpuzzle and Schoology. Before we get started, you will need a device that's connected to the internet and the login information for your MNSD Google account. Let's get started by looking at what makes Edpuzzle so great. Edpuzzle is all about videos. It's a super simple video editor that allows you the flexibility to make videos more interactive and engaging for your students. So now let's take a look at how to log in and set up your account. To get started with Edpuzzle, you'll first need to open up a browser on your computer and go to edpuzzle.com. Once you're there, you're going to sign up for an account. You'll tell them that you're a teacher, and you'll sign in with your Marple Newtown School District Google account. It may ask you to put your password in. The first time that you sign up, it'll also ask you to search for your school. So type in the name of your building, and that will link you so that you'll see the name of your building over here on your menu to the left. There's also an option to upgrade your account to a pro account. Check your email for the upgrade codes to do so. So once you've logged in and you've upgraded your account to a pro account, this is what your homepage is going to look like. When you're using Edpuzzle, you can upload your own videos. If you go into where it says My Content, you have the option to add your own video to work with. Or you can choose a video that someone else has already created, either in Edpuzzle library from YouTube, from Khan Academy, from National Geographic, a whole bunch of different sources. You also have the option of copying and pasting the URL of a video that you found on any of those sites. What that will do is open up your video in the editing tool. To cut your video is super simple. You just need to click and drag on either of the ends of your video, and that will cut the video to whichever timestamp you choose. This saves time so that your students aren't watching videos with pieces that are irrelevant to your content. Next is the voiceover tab. Here you can replace the video's audio with an explanation in your own words. Finally, we have the questions tab. These will be graded automatically, which is very cool. And you have different types of questions that you can embed. You can put multiple choice questions, open-ended questions, or you can add notes for feedback throughout the video. If we click on a multiple choice question, it'll ask you to type in your questions. We'll say question 1. It'll ask you to identify the correct answer and the incorrect answer choice. And then when you hit save, that will add your question, or we can add notes, which you can either type in here with text or you can use your microphone to record audio. This is helpful, especially if you're using a video that has formulas or external links, things like that. As you're working, Edpuzzle saves your video. It also defaults to naming your video, whatever the title of it was. You can edit that, of course, to something more specific. Once you're finished, you click Finish up here, and you can see we have just that one question in here. From here, you'll be able to assign your video to students. You can check whether or not you want them to be able to skip ahead or not. You can turn on closed captions if that's helpful to your students. And you can set specific dates and times. What's also great about Edpuzzle is you have the opportunity to add classes to your account. And once you send that video or you hit assign to students, it will automatically ask you which classes and students you want to send them to. It has a gradebook feature. So once you have courses set up and videos assigned to students, you'll be able to track their progress and see who's completed which assignments. In addition to this question mark that will link you to different video tutorials, Edpuzzle also has a certification option, which you can check out. If you're interested, this allows you to learn at your own pace and be certified in specific topics like project-based learning, gamification, personalized learning, things like that. Edpuzzle also has a ton of different resources available to you from this tab as well. So that wraps up our video tutorial on Edpuzzle. Hopefully you've learned a little bit about what makes Edpuzzle so great, how to set up your account, and some basics for how to make the videos interactive for your students. Again, if you're interested, there are additional tutorials for how to link Edpuzzle to your Schoology account and to dive deeper into Edpuzzle's features. Thank you.